Good morning, traders, and welcome on Monday. How was your weekend? Guys, before we start, I need to check if everything is working properly. So give me a second. If you can let me know on the chat if you can hear me and you can see me. Uh, Guys, like you can hear, I still got problem with my voice. So we will see. Maybe this session will be a little bit shorter, okay? All right. I think if everything is working, should be okay. All right then, guys. So let's start our trading session. On today's session, morning session, we're gonna focus on all-in ASAP strategy. This strategy is working very well, especially in the morning, early morning as well, just after uh, open of the day, which is good. Now is good timing because London just opened a minute ago. So we're gonna check what can we do in the morning. We're gonna look for some targets. If we're gonna have any targets, we're gonna try to open some positions. If not, we're gonna make a plan. Maybe we're gonna be able to use it later on after the session. Okay. Uh, Last week was pretty good because on live trading sessions, uh, I've made more than $6,000. Last trade was placed on Friday session in the morning, I think. Let me just check. Last 7 days. Yeah, in the morning session, I've opened the trade on Euro USD. Total profit $2,500. Risk was very low because this trade was 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So I was risking $500 and I was able to get 2,500. Last week was pretty good. Not too many trades. Don't look at those small trades. I was checking something. Uh, I placed four trades. So one on crude oil, and we got profit of $2,000. One on USD JPY. That trade was for reaction at the target with the cluster, and like you can see, we got stop loss minus $1,400. Next one was gold. Gold, that was pretty good trade, also more than $3,000. And the last trade was placed on Friday on our morning session. And from this trade, we got plus $2,500. So last week during live trading sessions, we made $6,377. So I think last week was pretty good. Hopefully this week will be even better. Okay. So guys, let's move on to our microeconomic calendar. As you know, we need to check microeconomic calendar before every session. 1 second, because I was showing you account, but you couldn't see that. 1 second. That was on different screens. Sorry, guys. Once again, close position. These trades were made last week on live trading sessions. So crude oil, $1,900 profit. USD JPY, unfortunately, stop loss. Gold, $3,300. And the last trade was placed on morning session on Friday, $2,500 in profit. Total profit of last week, $6,000, more than $6,000. So was pretty good. Like I said, hopefully this week is gonna be even better. All right. So let's check microeconomic calendar. I am using today Forex Factory. You can use any other website if you like. It's mostly the same, basically. So Monday, the 10th of November. And today we don't have any important news. So I think it's pretty good day for trading. Remember, Monday slowly, no rush, okay? We're gonna look for some good setups. And tomorrow, guys, we won't have any session, live trading session, because tomorrow in our country is an independent day. So it's holiday. No one is working tomorrow. So we're going to have a day off and we're going to come back on Wednesday like normal with live trading sessions and stuff like that. So today, I think it's pretty good day for trading. So let's move on to our MT4 platform. Right here. Just let me check something. Okay. All right. So let's start from Euro USD. We are using all in ASAP strategy. So we need to try, we need to find some targets we can use. We got one target, which is around 10 pips away from the price at this moment. So probably it's gonna be a little bit hard for us to use this target because we need at least 20 pips to open the position. Okay, so we are a bit late. If you were trading in the morning, probably you should be in position maybe after this candle right here, 20 pips. Yes. So if you traded in the morning, you should be in profit already. And I didn't, so we got like 10 pips left. Probably we won't be able to use it. Uh, Let me just check 4 hour time frame. Okay, the only thing we can check now is if we got any clusters. So maybe we're gonna be able to use it for reaction. Okay, so let's check clusters. Mm, we do have a cluster, but it's underneath the price, so we cannot use it. Okay, so probably we're gonna get straight to the target, but we cannot do anything at this point because we are too close to the target. Okay, so even if we want to open the position, our stop loss will be very small, and this trade may be too risky. So let's leave it. Let's check some other assets. Maybe we're gonna find some better targets. Okay. So GBP USD, we got some targets, but we are going opposite direction. It looks like we are in bullish market structure, so we want to look for the targets which are somewhere above the price. We got one here, but it's 120 pips away, so it's a little bit far. Maybe if you like swing trading, you can think about this target, but uh, for me, it's too far at this moment. So GBP USD, we cannot do anything at this point. USD CHF, no targets. We got targets, but they are very far away. No worries, guys. Remember that we don't need to open position every time. We only open positions. We open the best setups. Okay, like you can see on this account, last week we opened only 4 trades. So I didn't place 100 trades, 20 trades. No, only 4 trades, and we were managed to make more than $6,000. So we are looking only for the best setups. Okay. USD what's going on over here? We got one target, but this one is far, far away. No good. Let me just check something. USDJPY, no target as well. Unfortunately, no. Okay. It's fine for me. Let's move forward. We got few left. We got Australian dollar and US dollar. Target is about 30 pips away. This might be quite good. Let me just remove everything from the chart. Okay. So we got targets, which is 33 pips away from this point. Okay, so first of all, we need to define which market structure is it. Hello, Valentin. Over here, we got bullish market structure because if we look at the swings, last swing was in this place right here. So we got break of market structure, change of character, and we are on the way up, which is good because we want to get to this target over here. Okay, let's check for some support resistance zone. This might help us to make decision. This is quite interesting area because we had some reactions, nice reactions over here, breakout, retest, reaction, and now we are somewhere around this area, which is good, but we need to stay on this side of support resistance zone and we're gonna wait for retest, okay? Something like this. But let's move to 1 hour time frame. We know this area is right here. We are breaking through, which is good. Um, oh no. Guys, unfortunately, we cannot use this target because this target is already settled. The price got to this target and we got nice reaction. So we cannot use it anymore. I know it's showing us target here, but it's done. Unfortunately, it's done. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's check next currency pair. Let's check New Zealand dollar. We got target, which is like few pips, 4 pips away from target. So we cannot use this target to get to this target, but we can use it for reaction. So if we're gonna have any cluster right here, we can set order for reaction. Let me change settings. 50. We don't have any cluster right here. This area is looking good for me for reaction because this is some kind of support zone for sellers. Okay, so maybe let's check. Maybe we're gonna open position. Let me just check something like this. Can be, why not? I want to check something else. I've got indicator showing me volume levels. So why not use that? If we're gonna have any volume level right here, probably we're gonna be able to set order for reaction. So let me just check volume level. No, nothing there. Okay. One more thing. Let me just check something else. I don't want to mix it too much, you know. I've got some other stuff from different strategies, but I don't want to mix it with all in ASAP. This can be nice area for reaction, but I don't have any more confirmations. That's why I'm gonna leave it. Like I said, we are opening only the best setups. This is like half setup, no confirmations. I know this is looking pretty good because if this channel is working, probably we're gonna bounce from this area right here, and also we got support zone resistance. Uh, we might bounce from this as well, but I cannot do anything at this point. Maybe I will check from different strategy later, because if we're gonna bounce from here, there is a chance we're gonna go lower like this. But maybe we're gonna check that during US session, because we're gonna have another session later on. So we're gonna come back to this one. At this point, for me, no chance to open position. Okay, let me just change something. Low. No targets close by. Okay, but we can check different settings. We have target right here, 150 pips away, and statistics 79.79% chances that we're gonna come back to this target today. That's a pretty good information, but we need a trigger. Okay, if we want to use this setup, this target, our setup will be very simple. Usually, when I'm using this daily targets, I just need like resistance line, and after the breakout, we can probably open the position. We're gonna add Asian session. Yeah, we got into Asian session liquidity, which is good. Uh, Maybe we're gonna use it. We need to see how the market will react now. We need to be careful because, like you can see, gold is going up. We got strong impulse, so we are trying to open position opposite direction, and this might be a little bit risky for us, but it's looking good. We got 70, nearly 80% chances to get to this target. Let me just check over here. Okay, and that target is at level 5614. Five, 6, 14. Okay. This is our target. Okay. It's not that far. It's close. 200 pips away. It looks like 20 pips. But this is gold, guys. Gold from since this morning, we got impulse of 720 pips only. Only 720 pips. We got chances that we're gonna get here. Why not? Exponential moving average. Okay. We'll see. Maybe with small risk, because we need to remember that the market is going opposite direction. We are in a strong bullish trend at this moment, and we are trying to get open the trade opposite direction. So it is risky, but I can risk probably $500. We will see. maybe $1,000. And maybe we can get 1 to 1. We need to be careful with the stop loss. Stop loss on gold, 50 pips, it's very small, so at least 100 pips. We will see. After the breakout, I'm gonna try to do it like this. Small risk, $1,000. We'll see. Let me just prepare this order, pending order, risk mode, points. We will see around 120 for this moment. We will see. Around 120. We want to risk 0.1. Okay, let's wait for the price to drop down a little bit. You can see market is slowing down, which is good. We might have a chance to get here because if we're gonna get to this area, maybe gold will go higher. So this can be nice trade. We will see. Okay, all right. Let's check crude oil, but there is nothing on crude oil. The targets are quite far away, so we don't have too many options this morning, guys, using all in ASAP. Sometimes we got like 3, 4 targets we can use, but today, no standard targets. The only target we can use at this moment is this one here on gold, which is around 200 pips away. And we're going to try to do that with small risk, okay, around $1,000, but we need to wait for the breakout. I want to add something else. I want to check if we got any volume levels. This may help us to make a decision. Okay. Okay. We got some volume levels, and basically something's going on over here. There is another volume which is a little bit higher than this high. So it would be great if you would go up and we could see reaction at this volume level. It would be great. Okay. Breakout strong candle and we are ready to go. Let me open the journal. Trading journal, ASAP strategy. Today is 10th of November. Okay, today we don't have too many targets, so I'm gonna wait till USA session for no rush. It's Monday. daily target with 80% chances we're gonna get there today. Uh, one to one. I know. Careful. Okay. I'm gonna put the screenshot here as well. So okay. First option like this, we can wait for breakout retest, but not sure. I think this will be better option. Okay. So after the breakout, nice bearish candle, risk to reward around 1 to 1. Maybe we're gonna be able to get 1 to 1.5. We will see. Okay. It's beautiful outside. The gold was rushing. Yes, gold is crazy today. Okay, we will see. We know the gold is going opposite direction, but we might have a chance for a few pips. It's around 200 pips. It's not too much for gold. Today, gold's done more than 700 pips, so it's okay. So there's nothing basically else to do today. Most of the targets are already settled. So if you traded before, like early morning, maybe you are in profit already. But at this point, Euro USD, we are getting close to the target, so we cannot use it. There's no targets on GBP, no targets on USD CHF. Canadian dollar target is far, far away. USD JPY, no targets today. Australian dollar, mm, this target is already settled. You can see it was done on 30th, on the 3rd of November. New Zealand dollar, target done. No more targets over here. No targets on crude oil and gold. The only target we have is this one here. This is the daily target. And so let them go a little bit higher. There is volume level, and maybe this will be a trigger for sellers. If yes, I'm gonna try to open the position right here and to get to the target risk to reward 1 to 1 probably. Okay, 1 to 1. Low risk because I'm gonna risk $1,000. Okay, slowly. We can wait till next session. Maybe during US session we're gonna have more opportunities using price action cycle. So guys, remember you don't need to open position every time you see it by your computer, you can wait. If there's no setups, leave it. You can do some back tests. You can jump on testers, strategy tester, test your strategy. If there's nothing to do, there's nothing to do. Don't try to find setups if you can't see anything, okay? Just leave it. Sometimes it's better to stay away and wait for maybe US session, because maybe on US session we're gonna have free opportunities to open the trade. We will see. I don't know yet, but maybe US session is gonna be better for us. So, guys, like I said, it's gonna be shorter session because of my voice. You can hear I still got some problems, so it's hard for me to talk to you longer. There's nothing to do, so we're gonna try to look for some opportunities later on. Okay, I'm just gonna watch this one here. If we're gonna break through this trend line, resistance line, I'm gonna open the position. Okay, right here. After the breakout 1-1, we'll see. Monday, not the best day for all in ASAP. Yes, I know. Sometimes no. To be honest, Mondays are usually the best day for me to trade. Usually by this time I'm got already profits, but today no trade yet. I didn't place any trade yet. I don't know why. It's Monday, guys. So no rush. We're gonna check later on. So, guys, thank you for being here. Short session, but nothing to do. So I don't want to keep you longer. If you got time and you want to sit and watch the markets, it's okay. But sometimes it's better to do some back tests. Okay, there's nothing to do. There's nothing to do. Thank you guys for this morning session, and I will see you on the next one at 2 p.m. So